Today we're at the Brooklyn Fashion Design Accelerator, and we are running a training workshop on CLO. The workshop is for our individual and small business users who are able to come and meet us in person, learn a little bit more about what the software has to offer, as well as how to use CLO in their day-to-day lives.
We use CLO software in our production lab here at Pratt Institute's Brooklyn Fashion Design Accelerator. We're both very much aligned with regards to technology in the fashion space, as well as technology that helps sustainability.
It's not only that you get the best teachers here, you're meeting the community, you're meeting like-minded people.
Even people who have no idea about 3D programs could easily understand what's going on. You have a fantastic team here. They're working really hard. They know all the answers to all your questions.
My company is a small startup. We do cashmere knit sweaters based out of Mongolia, so we're ethically sourced, really good for the environment. Biggest challenge is we are a team of 2, so I had to figure out a way to create like a huge amount of sweaters in a really short period of time by myself. If I didn't have CLO, then my workflow would be very slow, not as efficient. My factories would not understand as easily the designs that we are looking to create.
So in terms of continuing education for CLO, we have our website, which has a lesson section, and our community forums. We also have our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. So it's really coming from us straight to you, and we'd love for you to be a part of it.